making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
So today is October 19th. It's Sunday. Meron tong pictorial sa kanyang aerial at 3:30. Ano pa lang, 1:37. Nire-ready ko na siya. And doon niya na isusot yung kanyang costume. Yung costume niya ay leopard. Yung suit niya nung nag-concert siya, yung under 10 leopard. So wala silang makeup dito.
It's just a photo.
Yeah. For the photo shoot, ano lang, nice sleek hair.
But you can do anything.
Yeah, you can do anything.
What are you doing? A ponytail?
Ponytail.
Simple.
Very simple.
There's a fly.
I know. And si Kuya nag-golf. Kasama sila Kobe. Like, an hour drive. So, si Kobe kasi nagda-drive na. So, maaga si Kuya umalis. And kagabi, kahapon umalis sila ng daddy niya. Pumunta sila ng Melbourne. Balikan lang.
Did they come back at 3?
2:30 in the morning. Yeah. Madaling araw na sila. Mga 2:30 na. So, ayusan ko lang to. And, yeah. Alis kami. Si Sak lang may iwan dito. Kasi si Jan, hindi nag-fishing si Jan today kasi nga, ang pangit ng weather, guys, dito sa amin. So, si Jan, mayroon siyang kinuha sa mug para sa farm. Okay. Ayusin lang natin to. Kuya's here. Wow. Hi, Cole. How are you?
Good, thanks. Yourself?
Good. How's golfing?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Adam.
How many of you?
Just us two. Jackery.
Hi.
What's going on, mate?
Where did you get the tattoo?
Give me a few.
Bali.
When? When you? Last August?
August.
Yeah.
Was it not?
Yeah, it was good. All good.
What's that? 35? No.
No, it's a good luck symbol. Balinese,
Balinese
symbol.
something.
And then so
The
mum,
name,
dad.
yeah. Nice. You look red.
Yeah, no, sunburnt from yesterday. Bit warm.
Wait, boy.
Oh yeah, but yesterday it was hot and bloody had to coach baseball and umpire and I was standing in the sun all day.
Yeah, it was nice yesterday.
Yeah, it was really good.
But windy though.
Yeah.
Still.
Yeah. Alright, I gotta go watch Jasmine play footy.
But
You still going? Footy?
Oh no,
For
Jasmine,
For
girls
girls.
footy.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you, thanks, Cole.
What's that?
Sunday.
Next Sunday, yeah, right.
Wow.
Go easy.
So,
See you, Cole. Wow, Kuya. Andito na si Kuya and ayan na yung kanyang buhok. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Mag-alas-2 na. Inulit ko kasi hindi ako na-satisfy dun sa una kong ginawa. Ang dali niya tingnan pero mahirap siyang gawin, to be honest, ang ganitong hairstyle. Well, para sa akin. Siguro sa mga sanay na madali siyang gawin.
wait. But I'm running out of that.
What? This one? The Ecolux? You know.
That's so slick.
Okay. So,
Push you away.
nagluto na rin pala ako ng dinner namin, pasta. Mamaya,
Penny pasta.
i-bake ko na lang siya mamaya. Pero luto na yung pasta tsaka yung sauce.
Do you want me to go? Not on my tippy toes?
No, Papa. So, okay na yan. Alright. Okay.
Let's go.
So, ito yung dinner mamaya. Ayan yung pasta sauce. Oops. Ayan yung pasta na laging kinukuhaan ni Sak. Mauubos na to. Ayan. Okay. Alis na kami ni Holly. Bihis na siya. And hindi lang siya yung nag-order ng tarts. Dami. Ready for photos?
Yeah.
Ayan, tapos na mag-photoshoot. And umuulan. Punta kayo saglit sa Woolies kasi bukas Monday. So, kailangan kumain ng fruits, ha?
I want to go to Jake's.
Come on. Run! Umuulan. Okay. Tapos na kayo mag-grocery. Saan ko na yung vlog namin dito. Sisak, tingnan nyo. It's... Tapos na palang kumain ng pasta yung aking mag-aama. And kanina, ang lamig, diba? So, naisipan ko magluto ng nilagang buto-buto na may kamote. Tapos may pechay, may repolyo. Basta, ang daming gulay niyan. Yun lang, napakita ko lang sa inyo. Hello guys! Dito ulit tayo sa farm. Today is October 20. Kagaling ko namin pala ni Holly sa kanyang dance lesson. Punta kayo dito para diligan ang kanya.
Strawberries, why aren't they growing?
I know! Wow! Kailan kaya yan hihinog? Parang ito na baon masyado, no? Oh!
Over here.
Alright, okay. Ilang weeks na ba yan? 2? How many weeks? 2? More than 2 weeks? Ito wala. This one. Okay. We're just gonna wait. Okay.
That's water.
You know how to get water, right? Alam niya na eh. May dala yung bucket. Bumalik kayo sa bahay. Diretso na sana kami dito. Tapos naisipan na wala tayong bucket and wala akong key dito eh, sa shed. Wala si Jan eh. Nandun sa sa horse niya. Kasi yung ating sorry naman, yung ating pinapagawa doon na bahay ng kabayo, wala pa, hindi pa tapos. Yung ating raspberry and then blackberries, matagal pa ito bubunga eh. I'm not sure, but ayan, same pa rin. Ay, doon na si Holly. Wala pa rin yung kahoy na order namin, kaya na-stop yung pagtatrabaho dito. Ay, lamig. Alright, Baba? Alam niya na kumuha ng tubig dito. Put more.
More?
Yes, please. Alright, wait, Baba. Remove it. Ay, nauna na si Holly doon. Okay. Niya na yung diligan. Dito naman siya sa strawberries niya.
I don't know what strawberries is.
We have to get more water, Papa. Okay, put more. Yeah, need more. It's alright. Hala, nalunod na.
I'm gonna be hydrated. We didn't like water it for the past.
Yeah, kasi hindi namin nadiligan ng 2 araw. Umuulan naman, pero hindi ganun karaming ulan. Yung parang pa zulyap lang. Pabugsog-bugsog lang yung ulan. Hello! Hi friends! Hi neighbors! Igib ulit siya. So, ang ginagawa niya na, ayan, sinasali. Put more there, Baba. Sinasali niya na doon para mapuno. We need more, baby. Okay. Lamig ng hangin. Aren't you cold, Holly? Sumisilip sila. Hello. Yeah, fix mo yan para alam natin kung ano yung masarap.
I'll move them now.
No, Baba. It's alright. So we know which one is which. Just around. Ito yung malago nating strawberries.
This one's got the most.
Yeah,
I think.
it is.
What are we gonna do with the leftover cake water?
What do you mean?
Like with this.
Oh, we're just gonna hide it somewhere. The container, not tank.
No, like the water inside.
What is water inside?
If there's leftover water.
No, we're gonna put it all, Baba. Alright, okay, we're done. So, yun lang naman ang ginagawa namin dito ni Holly. Mag-water ng plants niya. Okay, see you next time.
See you next time. It's only next
Ah,
time, Scooter.
sabay pala may pakita ko sa inyo kasi napuno na namin yung skip bin nung Friday ba yun? Ilang araw pa lang yun. Kasi dapat 2 weeks siya magstay doon bago siya pick upin. Pero napuno na namin nung Friday. So parang 2 days napuno agad. Okay. Dito namin to ilalagay. Here, Baba. Here. So, alright. Let's go. We're done here. Come on. Bye, cows. Okay, lalapit dyan. May kuryente yung wire na yan. Okay, let's go, baby.
If I name the cats, how am I gonna know what one is which?
I think
The same.
they have the tag. So, dito na tayo sa bahay. Ito yung una natin na hinire na skip bin. Ayan, puno na siya. In 2 days na puno siya. And di ko lang sure kung alam ni Jan na dineliver na to today. Hapon siya dineliver. Kasi umalis si Jan mga alauna. Anong oras na? Magsi-6 na eh. So, dineliver siya. Nakaharang siya dyan sa ano namin. Kung saan nilalagay yung car ni Jan. Sa shed. So, baka pick upin to bukas. Pag pinick up to, imumove siya dyan. Yeah, baka. Yun ang gawin. Do not overload yung bin. Hindi naman siya overload. Okay naman siya. Alright? Okay, so ayan. Empty. And full. Okay, pupunuin na naman tayo. Hindi siya mura ha. Mahal ang skip bin dito. Alright.
After dinner, we might have dessert.
Yeah.
Brownie.
Yeah. Nakasalang yung lasagna. Dinner namin lasagna. Kahapon, pasta.
It's already in the oven. The lasagna.
Yung noodles. Ngayon, lasagna. Ang dami ko siyang ginawang sauce. Okay. We're going in now. Malamig na.
Wait, I already got...
Ayan na po siya pala. Nag-melt na siya ng butter para sa kanya. Instant na brownies.
This it's not melted though.
It's alright. It's gonna... Just wait for a sec. Ikaw may gustong magawa eh. Just wait. We need whisk. This one. Yeah, that one. Yung lasagna nandito.
Brownies. Oh, I was thinking of brownies, so I'm gonna ask. And then,
What are you hiding?
and then, I was gonna ask.
Holly's making it for you.
Can I mix it out or do I put it in the bowl?
Yeah, put the butter now.
I've made them before.
So now I'm just gonna mix it all up with all the ingredients added in, and I'm gonna mix it until it's like all mixed together, and then I'm gonna pour it into a 25 centimeters pan, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for 35
Wow.
minutes.
20 centimeter pan. Meron ba tayo nun?
25.
25?
Yeah, look, it says, and then, oh no, 20 cents. 20.
Pwede na yan dito. Okay, mix it
We're
up
gonna
first.
put baking paper in it. So this is what we're using for the brownies. It's the triple choc fudge brownies. And it, guys, it smells so good even though it's not baked yet. And there's like chocolates. There's chocolates. You're just gonna smudge them up. So there's like no chocolate, and this is what it's gonna look like. And that's what it's gonna be in the inside. Imagine you break it, and there's so much chocolate, melted chocolate fudge in there.
So, ito yung lasagna. Lalagyan ko siya ng cheese. So, nalagyan ko na siya ng cheese. Ibabalik ko ulit siya sa oven hanggang mag-melt. And ready na yung dinner nila.
So, I was just tapping it for a little bit. And I already put it in. I tapped it so it can spread everywhere like this. And on the box, it says bake it for 35 minutes. But I want to bake it for 25 minutes so it's gooey and soft. So let's put it in the oven. Come out.
So, melted na yung cheese. Maya-maya kakain na yung mga bata. Sobrang init niya pa kasi. And yung brownies nasa oven na.
So here's the brownies, guys. This is what it ended up looking like. So now we're just gonna go ahead and let's see.
Looks alright, my love.
It is so soft.
Soft and gooey. Oh, nice. So, itong gusto na. Ayaw na yung matigas.
I'm
Alright.
gonna take a bite, guys. Let's see.
Okay.
Taste test. And we also got some ice cream to go with it. Let's see. Oh, that's so good. Who that?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Try.
No, I don't want
It
to.
is so soft. Guys.
I know.
It's so moist.
Okay. So, that's for today, guys.
Bye!
Dito pa tayo sa farm. Kasi ayan, may magdi-deliver ng kahoy. And ayan si Jan. Nilabas niya na yung tractor. Nilipat muna dito yung ating mga berries. Ayan yung ating mga puno na ang papayat pa. Mga baga.
First flake of snow is set to fall today.
So, ayan na yung kahoy natin para sa ating fence doon. And babalik pa si Kuya kasi magdi-deliver pa ata siyang 3 ganito. 3 balik pa ata siya. I'm not sure. Narinig ko lang. Confirm natin kayo dyan mamaya. Check lang yung ating trailer. Iikot lang siya. How many more, Han? 1 more of this set? 1 more plus 9. See ya! Thank you! Balik siya. So, isang ganito. Di ba dalawa yan? Isa pa yan. Tapos, what's the other 9? What 9? 9 of what? 9 of what? 1 more plus 9. What's the 9? 9 pieces. 1 of this and then 9. Okay. Got you. Yeah, a bit like leaning in. Okay. Kasi hindi siya even. So, babalik si Kuya. Isang balik na lang si Kuya kasi isa lang naman na ganyan. Isang ganito karami. Kasi ilan ba ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10 yan. Tapos, another 9. Kasi tinawagan niya yung gumagawa ng fence doon. Tinanong niya kung ilang pang kailangan. And, yeah. Kaya, babalik pa si Kuya para. And, ito yung ibang mga pinak namin na ilalagay dito sa shed. Wala pa yung magdi-deliver ng kahoy. Kanina pa kayo naghihintay dito. And yung naririnig nyo ay generator yun kasi wala pang kuryente dito sa shed. Ang tagal. Tagalan namin nag-apply pero wala pa rin. So, ginamit lang yung, ayun, nandun yung generator. Are we going, huh? Or are you still there? I'm going to the pout because Holly has dance. 2 o'clock? Yeah, 2 o'clock already. Hope so, but yeah. So, hindi ko na siguro maabutan kasi may dance lesson si Holly. Kailangan ko siyang pick upin. Wala pa rin siya eh. October 24. Dito ulit kami sa farm. It's Friday, wala silang pasok kasi bukas.
It's the Mount Gambier show, but we're going tomorrow.
Naiintindihan niya talaga ako.
We're going tomorrow.
Yeah.
Look at the big one.
Yeah, don't touch. And nagdala kami ng mga gamit dito sa
Was this always here?
farm. And nag-deliver kami ng mga gamit dito sa shed. Ayan, dito namin ilalagay. And ayun na pala yung kahoy. So, 3 na siya. So, ito yung sinasabi ni Jen na isang bundle. Tapos, siyam na ganito. So, next week daw, hopefully matapos na yun. Yung pinapagawa niya doon. Alright. Lagay na doon yung gamit. Magdidilig siya ng kanyang strawberries and other berries. Yeah. It's too small. Okay.
This is how much you can get in.
Done here?
It's done.
Okay. Careful. Okay, more. Let's go. Igib ulit kami. Igib. Round 2! Kabalik na kayo dito sa bahay. And di pa rin pinipick up ni Kuya yung isa. Puno na 2 eh. And dinala na ni Jan dito yung Christmas tree. Nasa, ano yan, nasa farm. And eto, ayan yung mga nailalagay pa lang.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.